Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, today, yes, I have another great product to share with you. And I hope you have a few moments to stick around and find out all about it. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day. And if you're new here, I hope you will consider subscribing while you're here. But most importantly, I hope you'll consider watching what product I have to show today for review. It is new. I think this company or this product is less than a year old, and it is something that we would use on a regular basis probably in our home and traveling, and it is revolutionary as far as the design, the compactness of it, and what it does. And what I have today that was sent to me from Susanna from Riddia, I have the Riddia press, and this is a product, and as small as it is, it's hard to believe, to iron your clothes. According to the message on here, it's the world's only cordless iron. Look at that, it says it right on there. And we're going to find out about this, and I want to thank Susanna for sending this over. And I can see that this would be good for home. You know, when you get stuff, even when you, like, especially in shipping, and it comes to you and your clothes may be just a little bit wrinkled, or it may have crease lines in it because, you know, they folded it up and packed it, maybe even securely packed it tight, and then it causes what I call those lines on them, crease lines. And then just in general, just wrinkles. Well, this is going to be a product that will help you resolve that problem and look fresh pressed, and it works great on polyester blends, and we're going to go into more detail about the benefits of it. It does take a couple of hours for it to charge, but this is our nice presentation of directions of how to use, but it says spend less than a minute on each crease. So it tells us how to use it, and you can see on this side that's all shiny is where the iron is, and it's made of some nice stainless steel. And we also have our USB cord here to charge it up. And real quickly, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this Riddia press. It's optimized for cotton or polyester blends. It's auto adjust to smooth control. Its time-saving technique quickly heats in 60 seconds and shuts off when left alone. It charges fully in less than 2 hours. Enjoy crisp clothes whenever you need them, and it's seamless technology for seamless clothing. Riddia Press's patented heating technology automatically adjusts to your garment's fabric. All of this while fitting in a carry-on so that you're always looking your best. And that's another thing. How many of you are traveling on business and you might need to press something? Some hotels have irons, some don't, but you can always rest assured that you'd be ready to go with the one that you would have. And it says they're a smart team of inventors bringing fresh take on age-old products that are due for a glow-up. We design and make all products ourselves. That is something about them, and a little bit about their company as they design and develop and make all kinds of in-house product, and they aim to localize manufacturing and detangle the dependency on global supply chains. And I have a link down in my description. It's free shipping in the USA, and it currently runs $38, and it's pocket size. Can you see how small that is in my hand? Of course, we would need to remove the plastic film before we used it and before charging, it says. So we'll remove that. That way we'll be set to go. And it has a place, of course, to put your USB, and there it's charging right there, as you can see. Do not touch metal on plate when on. This is going to be hot when it's actually on. And then you would just iron your clothes just like if you were using an old-fashioned iron, but you're using one the palm size of your hand. Now I'm going to end this video right here, and then I'm gonna come back and let y'all know how it worked for me. And I want to be able to give you a full review because this is really cool and I really like this. I'm back with the Riddia press small iron that you can fit right in your hand and easy to travel with. It does have its on switch button down here in the bottom, and when I turn that on, you're going to see a light pop on there, and it's on, and it heats up really quickly. It's already starting to heat up, and of course it told me not to put my hand on it, so don't do that when you're using it, but I'm just wanting you to know that it is heating up. It did take 2 hours to charge it up, and I have ironed a shirt, and it does need to be polyester blend or cotton, so it's not going to work on all fabrics. But I had a polyester blend t-shirt here, and it was all wrinkly up here at the top, and as you can see down toward the bottom, I did not iron down there, so it ironed out all my wrinkles that was up here from being folded up and maybe put away too quickly in the drawer. And I could use it to do the rest of it, but I wanted to show you before and after, and this is the best way that I could do it. And like I said, this is a polyester blend, and it's 60% polyester, 35% cotton, and 5% spandex, so it's a combination. It is a blend, and it worked real well. This seemed to only stay charged for about 15 minutes after I had it charged for 2 hours. But for that type of fabric, it is going to work. I tried it on just polyester, and it didn't seem to work as well for that. So when they tell you it's for polyester blend and cotton, that's for sure it. And it cooled down really quickly. It was heating up a while ago. It's already completely cold. And then when you need to charge it, you just put your plug in there, your USB, plug it into the wall with your adapter, and you're set to go. But this is definitely very, very modestly sized and convenient, and it was easy to, push along the fabric. There was no holding up or anything. It just ironed out really nice. I wanted to give you a little update on review after having it charged up, and I believe that the little Riddia press can be a great little addition for those small little touch-ups that you need to do on the go, and very easy to travel with, and you could use this at home too. Thank you very much, Susanna. I appreciate this. I'm going to leave the link down in my description. It'll take you over to their site and also have the same detail information that I was just telling you about. And again, it's $38, and it is an innovative and new product. And if you have to iron things and or travel for business or pleasure, I think this would be a great item to have and to take along with you. Easy and portable. I thank you all for watching today, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.